same question lang naman. Pakilala lang kayo, and kung may gusto kayo promote na social media pages, we have our bloggers here that can also promote you. Kung meron kayong TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Threads na pala ngayon, wala na yung Twitter or X, ayan. Na-lately ko lang nalaman, i-promote na natin, brother. Alright, ang number 1, take it away.
Alden Castro, 25, Maynila. FB, IG, TikTok, Alden Darwin Castro.
Short but sweet, pero lalaki. Ano ulit? Alden Darwin Castro on both of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Yan. Sabi, padamihan pa natin ang followers ni Alden. Let's follow him on the social media pages. Thank you very much and congratulations. Ngayon pa lang, hump number 1. Let's move on to hump number 2.
Hi guys, ako po si Ariel Piala, 26 years old. Guys, aka Max Boys AI. Guys, inaanyayahan ko po kayo manood ngayong October 18, 8 PM sa Viva Cafe. Ako po ang isa sa mga Max Boys. Search nyo lang po sa IG, TikTok, and Facebook. Then, meron po kami sa Family Feud, panoorin nyo po kami ngayong Sabado or Linggo ba yun? Yun po. Kami po ang Max Boys. Salamat po.
Alright, we have one of our Max Boys here. Of course, our Ariel. Ariel, ayan. Pasensya na si Kuya, medyo may edad na. At 10 years from your age, brother. Edad ka natin ngayon. He is part, of course, of Max Boys. And that's a Family Feud siya. Sabado o Linggo. But of course, may replays yan on YouTube as well. Supportahan natin. And he will be also be in Viva Cafe on October 18, 8 PM. Supportahan natin si Ariel. Yan. Maraming salamat. Now let's move on to hump number 3.
Lucas Garcia, 22 from Albit, Bulacan. Follow my FB page and TikTok. Lucas Garcia.
Alright, brother. Medyo kinakabahan si Lucas. Ayan. Let's follow him on his social media pages. That is Lucas Garcia. Alright, there we go. Alam niyo, malaking tulong talaga yan. Alam ni brother yan. Yung currency talaga ngayon, it's followers talaga. So the more followers you get, the more brands, exposure, of course. At syempre, mas marami pang trabaho na may bibigay sa atin. Let's move on to hump number 1, 2, 3, 4!
Ronnie Palermo, 24, Pasig. Ronnie Palermo, follow FB, TikTok at saka Twitter.
Ronnie Palermo. Sabi, mabagal lang mahina pa yung pagdinig. Konting din na nito, no? Diba ata nung nangyayari sa Ronnie Palermo? You just type in on his Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. May TikTok din yan. Alam nyo, nakakatawa talaga. Gusto kong pasukin yung TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung paano nga ba. Hopefully, you guys will also teach me somehow, someday, kung paano ba natin mag-infiltrate. Here we go. Hump number 5.
Jokoy lang po, 25, Bulacan po. FB, same lang yung name ko po. Jokoy Lina, Lambuna.
Here we go. You can follow him, Jomari Lina, on his Facebook page. If you guys want to know more about Jomari, I'm pretty much sure may mga tips si Jomari sa Facebook niya kung paano ba mas maging hump. Tulad ng ating mga humps dito. Follow him, guys. Jomari Lina. Let's move on to hump number 6.
MJ ang kuya po, papaload po rin po sa bago ko pong gawang FB kasi yung FB ko po na MJ na-restrict po. Ano po? MJ ang kuya po rin po.
Alright, sa sobrang dami ng followers siguro ni MJ, nag-restrict na yung account niya. So sabihin na natin, i-follow natin ulit si MJ. Let's, of course, let's know what his updates at kung ano yung ginagawa ni MJ. That's MJ Hakuya on his Facebook page. Ayan. Now let's move on to hump number 7.
I'm Matthews Dino, Pandacan, Manila, 28 years old. My TikTok, Mr. Stripe. Makikita nyo lang doon kung paano mag-workout.
So ipapollow ko yan, si Mr. Strife. Diba? On his TikTok account. Para makita natin kung paano ba maging ganyan yung mga katawan natin, di ba? Hindi maging ganito. By the way, habang kumarampa kayo, kumakain ako ng French fries sa likod, parang hindi magandang i-hairflow para ma-achieve ang ganyang mga katawan. So kung gusto natin guys, maging fit, maging healthy, at maging hot tayo. Kahit Pasko, di ba? I-follow natin si Mr. Strife sa kanyang TikTok account. And last but not least, brother, take it away.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Arisiguino. I'm 28 years old from Montalban, Rizal. Please follow my Facebook account, John Arisiguino. Thank you.